What if I tell you Palmpay is currently giving 2,000 naira for anybody you refer on their app? Now, you might not believe me, but this is true. Now, currently they are doing a promo. When you refer somebody, they give you 2,000 naira and they give person 2,100 naira cashback. The person can get recharge card data from that 2,500 naira. So how do you go about this? If you have a Palmpay account, all you do is just to send your referral link to the person. Once the person sign up on Palmpay by putting their mobile phone contacts and putting their BVN or their NIN and sign up for the platform, you can earn your 2,000 naira and you get paid truly. Now, one thing about this 2,000 naira offer is that you cannot be able to withdraw it until it gets to 2 persons, or you're able to refer 2 persons, at a minimum of 2 persons rather. So once you get 4,000 naira, that's when you can be able to withdraw on this platform. You can get as much as getting 50,000 naira if you refer 25 persons. Now, this offer is valid from now to the next 4 days. It started for a while now and it is ending in the next 4 days. That's why I decided to make this video so that I can check out this offer and jump into it at the moment. If you're checking out this video after this offer, this 2,000 naira offer has ended, you'll not be able to get 2,000 naira per referral. Instead, you'll be getting 420 naira per referral. Now, that's quite small, but the fact that the person you're referring gets to do nothing just to sign up an account, you can be able to make that as a side income. So this is another side income you can do without having any cash. Create a Palmpay account, put maybe 100 naira, 200 naira in your account, start sharing your link to your friend. They should just create an account even without funding the account, and once you create an account, you get 2,000 naira. The offer is valid from now to the next 4 days, but if you cannot do it from now to the next 4 days, or you're watching this video 4 days from now I'm recording, then you can be able to get just 420 naira. So that's all on how to make money from Palmpay. So till our next one, peace.